Only in the South, y'all. Only in the South. Now, I know in Louisiana, people eat these big boys right here. Look. 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 Look at them, y'all. Look at them. Look at that. If them
Even though it got hit
you,
by a car and severely injured and might not survive, you still don't want to underestimate the power of this turtle.
That's some good eating right there, y'all. This a catch and cook right here. This a dangerous catch right here. Cause look at that mouth. Look at that mouth now. And look at the head on him. Oh, he's still dangerous, man. Well, I'm gonna try to get him in this bucket. I got him in the bucket, y'all. But I'm scared. I'm scared to pick this bucket up. But I got him. His head is tucked in. And I'm going to take him back to the house. And we going to butcher it. I'm going to catch the bucket like this with the shovel. His head is tucked in. But you can see where his shell is cracked. That's my loud truck running, y'all. So I'm going to pick the bucket up with the shovel. Just throw it in the back of the truck. He's heavy. This a beast right here, man. You can see by the size of his head that he got some age on him. But he's dying anyway because somebody hit him. You can tell this a big, strong beast if he survived a car hitting him. Chances are he came from that pond.
And you can see how fast these cars are going, so you can imagine that velocity hitting that turtle. All right, y'all, as I'm humanely, y'all got to excuse how dirty my hands is. I just changed the whole set of tires on my truck. But as humanely as possible, I'm going to go ahead and take this turtle out. And we're going to get it out of the shell, and I'm going to cut it up. Now, one thing when it comes to dispatching animals and stuff, you want to be humane. You want to be respectful towards the animal. You don't want to traumatize them or anything. And you just want to be thankful for the provision. All right, now I'm going to get some cinder blocks. And what I'm going to do is set an old school wash pot on these blocks, set it up off the ground, and put some wood on it, under it. For y'all who didn't grow up in the country, don't know what a wash pot is, y'all see what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the wash pot. When you cook it with a wash pot, you want to put the water in it first before you start boiling it. If not, the pot will crack. Now, y'all, in this episode, I've been chopping wood and everything, working like a true country boy. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to get this pot prepared, get this water hot so we can drop this turtle in it. Gonna boil it first and, clean the skin off of it. The same way you would do a pig. Okay, I've humanely dispatched of the turtle. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the water. This thing looks like a prehistoric dinosaur, doesn't it? Now, what I'm doing right now is no different from what my grandparents and everybody before me did. Now, I never did any of this growing up, but I want to experience it now, just even if it's just this one time. What y'all witnessing here is how folks in the South used to eat when they couldn't afford to go to the grocery store. So everything came from the woods and everything came from the yard, okay? Now, basically how you prepare this turtle, you don't want to leave it in the hot water too long. You just want to roll it around a couple times. Get it tender so it's easy to come out of the shell, and so that the skin will be easy to be scraped off. You can skip this process and just cut it out of the shell or whatever, But I'm doing it the old school way, the way it's been done before I was born. All right, now I'm getting ready to remove the turtle from the water and begin the cleaning process. Okay, what I'm getting ready to do now is scrape the skin off, deshell this turtle, and the only part of this turtle I'm going to eat is the forelegs. And y'all will be surprised how much meat forelegs are going to render. Okay, I got some wild caught South Carolina shrimp from South Carolina waters that I'm getting ready to fry up with this turtle. Now, as you can see here, these 4 turtle legs have rendered quite a few pounds of meat. Now, what I did was spare showing the butchering process, but I'm sure there's plenty of videos on YouTube that'll show you how to butcher a turtle. All right, these are the batters and seasonings that I'm going to use with the shrimp, and the turtle is pretty much going to be spicy because they're Louisiana seasonings. And I'm going to throw some meat tenderizer on the turtle meat first and let it tenderize a little bit before I season it up and fry it. This turtle has a strong fishy smell, but as you can see, is pure red meat, like beefy. That's a lot of meat off of 4 legs. Now, what I did was combine the Slap Your Mama seasoning with the regular seasoning so that it could knock a little of the kick off of the Slap Your Mama. Because even though they call it Slap Your Mama, this seasoning will really slap you.
Big chicken thighs.
All right, what I'm doing here is what professional chefs do. Before you cook a large quantity of anything, you want to test piece first so you can make your adjustments before you mess up a whole batch of food.
That I use. You just gotta know.
All right, after tasting and testing one piece of turtle, I see that it's pretty good. This is the finished result on the turtle meat. This right here is the finished result on the shrimp. Did the same thing I did with the turtle, coated it, threw it in the grease. All right, and lastly is a seafood sauce that I whipped up, mayonnaise based. I can't tell you what I put in it though. This is the finished result, my plated presentation. Yeah, I'm not big on plate presentation, but it is what it is. This is the finished result. Now let's eat. After hearing everybody else say how good it is, it's my turn to try mine. Chef Anthony Albrittain here, the Carolina cook, cooking the Carolinas, eating the Carolinas, tasting the Carolinas. I do more tasting and eating than I do cooking. But hey, this is the final result on the shrimp and snapping turtle, alligator turtle, or what we call them in the South. Grew up calling them cutters. All right, and that's a special seafood dipping sauce that I made. All right. So listen, man. You run that shrimp in that sauce, like so. Put that cutter in that sauce. Well, hold up. Something don't sound right about that. Put that cutter in that sauce. Put that cutter in that sauce. Okay. All right. All right. So this is the snapping turtle. This is the snapping turtle. All right. The snapping turtle. Snapping turtle. This catch and cook was successful.
It all happened by chance, but it still was a successful catch.
Everybody don't want to be on camera, so. But trust me, everybody likes it.
Well, not everybody liked it. One person couldn't get past the texture, and another person just didn't like the taste of it. But some people who tried it for the first time loved it, and some people who have tasted turtle at some point in their life before liked it.
That Cajun seasoning on there, busted with the spices and everything, with the combination of my sauce, My dad grew up eating stuff like this. I don't think I ever had a turtle a day in my life. But y'all don't understand, there's been times that I was trying to catch these things, like if I be driving, because in the South, you're liable to see anything run across the road. So from time to time, I see them crossing the road. And I get out, try to catch them. Pew! They gone. Like the road runner. Beep, beep. Pew, gone. You understand? So, Pops got to reminiscing about coon hunting, not being able to afford to go buy groceries, so they had to eat the chickens off of the yard, pigs, go hunt and eat coons and eat possums and different stuff like that, snapping turtles, stuff like that. So it brought back a lot of memories when I cooked that for them. And they outside right now. Shh, they outside right now talking about how good it is, you know. And some people out there talking about this, their first time tasting this. Some of y'all may look at it and be like, oh, gross. But it's a southern thing. It's a country thing. You're not going to understand it. But don't knock it until you try it, okay? Like, comment, share the love, and subscribe. And on another note, I gain subscribers on YouTube, but then I lose them because for some reason, I think if you don't watch a video after you subscribe, if you don't watch a video and if you don't comment or you don't like, I think from what I heard, YouTube will think that you a bot or something like that, and they will take the subscriber away from you. So I've lost a lot of subscribers behind that. And that's not cool when you're trying to grow a channel. I believe my content is good. I believe what I'm doing is good and original. So y'all support it. Like,
Now that's me giving the benefit of the doubt because I don't know if
subscribe.
people hating and just unsubscribing or not. I don't know.
Comment and subscribe, okay? Chef Anthony Albrittain.
Y'all check out my son's reaction though.
Certified.
It's priceless. Okay, y'all. You like the Ninja Turtles?
No.
Weren't you a Ninja Turtle fan right now?
No.
Oh, one time?
No.
Well, guess what? Yes, you were. You had a Ninja Turtle video game and all of that. Well, guess what?
No.
You about to eat one of the
No.
Ninja Turtles. Which turtle is your favorite Ninja Turtle? Michelangelo? He's everybody's favorite. Who's your favorite?
I don't have none.
All right, well, anyway, we about to eat a Ninja Turtle. Now, I want to get your reaction to some turtle. You can try one piece without the sauce,
Out.
then try it with the sauce. It's still hot.
Kind of.
Everybody else liked it.
What part of this is this?
Turtles, you only eat the legs. You cut the legs off and eat them. So I cut the legs off and cut them into nuggets.
Dino nuggets?
Dino nuggets? He said dino nuggets. Well, he about to chew that turtle, man. I tell you, you're not chewing. Ah! Oh! I don't see your mouth moving, bro. You don't like it? All right. I like it. Put it on the plate. I got to give it to y'all. He's a trooper, though. He'll try just about anything I cook that's weird. And that's how you develop your palate as a chef. You really don't like turtle, man?
No.
Well, guess what? You can say that you tried turtle. Everybody liked it but you. Even one person I gave peace to that didn't like it, never tried it before, thought it was gross. They never spit it out. They kept chewing it and swallowed it.
Probably because they didn't want to be rude.
No.
Liketh, shareth thou the love, and subscribeth unto my channel.
Thank you, Judge.